Storms are brewing.
Yep, storms are brewing. We're in the middle of a nor'easter, guys. It's pretty messy out there. Well, good morning to everybody. I'm going to try to vlog today. It's been a little while since I've been busy making recipes and putting up my 5 tips to starting keto. So if you haven't seen those videos, go check it out. Go check out on my page. I have 5 tips to starting keto out, and I have some new recipes as well. We're going to vlog today on this snowy day. I do have to work for a little bit, but I might have some cancellations. So usually Friday, today's Friday. You're probably watching this on Saturday. No donuts for Daddy. You eat all my donuts. It's okay. All right, guys. Let's get this day started.
What's cooking, good looking?
What is up, my friend? It's been a few hours. We've been out playing with the kids. I got my workout in today. I just did 30 minutes. Today was cardio, so I did a high-intense interval training. I was sweating my butt off today. It's good to mix things up. I like to do weights and I like to do high-intense interval training today. Like I said, 30 minutes and it's done. I got that out of the way. I got ready for work and now I'm feeling hungry. I'm gonna break my fast about an hour early today. I know I'm not gonna be able to eat at work. I'll probably bring some snacks. I'll show you what that is if I bring some. I'm gonna be busy today at work. We've got a snowstorm, so I might have some cancellations, and we have to train a new receptionist today. Blah blah blah. So I'm hungry. The kids are busy playing. Sammy's in the family room, which used to be our garage, and she's doing her booty workout. I would show you what that is, but she would probably kill me, so can't go there. Anyway, let's see what's for breakfast.
Now we have first trouble. A square.
Breakfast is served. We've got spinach, we've got bacon, we've got sausage, we've got cheese, we've got 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. Macros are right here. Great go-to breakfast. I know I'm going to be busy at work. This is going to hold me over. I will pack some snacks. I definitely will take my keto coffee. Again, you've heard me say this before, 1 tablespoon of Kerrygold butter and 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream. If you have not tried that, I definitely recommend trying it. It's a great way to get your fats up, and if you can have coconut, I can't. Add some coconut oil to it, and it is good to go. It is awesome. Bye, bud. I gotta go to work. I love you. Mwah. I gotta go to work. I love you. Mwah. Bye. Be good for mama.
Smash the thumbs up button, guys.
That was really enthusiastic. That's not keto. Probably should have warmed up the car. Ah! Come on. It's not even moving. Oh well. So I ran out of the house kind of quickly and forgot to pack snacks, but I'm not actually all that hungry, so my keto coffee will definitely hold me over. I'm looking forward to that.
Garbage.
What is up, guys? It is the morning after. I didn't vlog much last night. We went to dinner at my in-laws, which I showed you my meal. I just want to talk a little bit about that and give you some quick tips before I end this vlog. So I worked late last night. As you can see, all I had was my big breakfast before I went to work. I worked for about 6 hours. I had my keto coffee, which gave me some good fats to hold me over to dinner. I had that gigantic dinner. That was like 8 ounces of salmon, and I had a bunch of that cauliflower, loaded cauliflower mash that my mother-in-law made. It was super good. I was like completely stuffed after that meal. I also had the pork rinds with that cheese salsa cream cheese dip, as well as some guacamole. So after I left there, I was pretty full. And you know, I checked my macros about an hour or so later when I was about ready for bed, and I was still kind of short on fats, and I felt like I could fit something else in. So I had a serving of our sugar-free pudding that we make with heavy whipping cream. So instead of milk, you substitute it with the heavy whipping cream, and you can only have a little bit of it because it's so filling. But I'll tell you, if you have like a sweet tooth and you want just like something before, you know, you want something for a dessert, it's a great go-to. So anyway, that upped my fats for the day. So real quickly for dinner, I wrote it down. So dinner macros were 34 fat, 66 protein, which is honestly too high, but it still fit into my day because what I ate for the day. So you can make it work. And 18 carb, which again is really high in carb for one meal, but as you see, I only had 2 meals. So it's okay. Everyone, you know, you think, oh, I got to eat every 3 hours. That's what they tell me, you know, every 3 hours, or you got to eat 6 meals a day. It's a bunch of crap, guys. You got to forget all this stuff in the past. You know, eat till you're satiated. Listen to your body. You can eat 2 meals a day. I know plenty of people that will fast and just eat 1 giant meal for the day. It's not going to mess with your metabolism. It has 0 effect. There is scientific proof. Eat so you're, you know, satiated and full. Listen to your body, and you know, the rest all falls in place. Keep this simple, guys. I just like to take the simplistic approach. I like to do it this way, and I hope you learn something. You know, do what works best for you at the end. So yeah, the total for the day, I ended up hitting 68% fat, so I was a little bit short, but hey, that's close enough, guys. Remember, it's ballpark figures here. I was 24% on protein, so that was pretty much spot on, and carbs were only at 77%. So, you know, 5% is what we aim for, so close enough, guys. All right, I hope you enjoyed this vlog. I hope you got some good tips, some pointers to help you along with your ketogenic lifestyle. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe, like, you know, share this on your social media. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's grow this channel. Let's help out everybody that we can. And, you know, always remember, just keep on keeping on, guys. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Consistency wins. It is the key. Consistency is key. All right, guys? Rock and roll.